Hi, welcome to DL4JRA. In this video, we will do CSV object classification tutorial specifically for numerical CSV. There are two kinds of CSV object classification you can do in DL4JRA. One is general numerical CSV and another one is time series CSV. We're going to do object classification for the general numerical CSV. This is how general numerical CSV looks like. One single CSV, all of the features, and one label. In the DL4JRA, it is advisable that your label and features are in numerical. Okay, let's start. Grab training CSV start node. Load numerical CSV. There's one. Okay. And CSV data iterated. Okay. And connect all the nodes. Click on Load Numerical CSV Dataset node to configure. This is where we can state the path of the CSV that we wish to train on. Let me search for the file we'll use. This one, okay. Copy address and paste it here. Label index is the column number that contains the label. In the CSV, the column that contains the label is this column. Number of labels is to specify how many labels we have in the CSV. For this one, we have two labels, which is true or false. Num skip lines is the row that you want to skip. This is if you have a header in your CSV. If you have a header, type in 1 because our header is located on the first row. This will make your model to skip the header, which is usually located on the first row. For fraction train, this is to set ratio to your dataset. 0.8 means 80% of your dataset will be used for training and 20 will be used for validating. You can adjust this, but machine learning thumb rule for dataset ratio is usually 0.7 or 0.8. Now that the CSV data iterator is done, let's construct the neural network. Grab multilayer start node, config, dance, output, and construct multilayer node. Connect them all. Now let's see the configuration. Keep this as default. Okay. Now let's see the config, the dance layer 2, dance layer config. Save it as default too, as default. For output, change the in out to the number of labels, and also the activation function to softmax. Now that our neural network is done, we'll grab a train node. There are two train nodes here, normal train and train no UI node. Let's try the normal one first. Also take the validate node, connect it, and take export node to save the model. Click on train node. In previous video, we mentioned what epoch meant. For this tutorial, let's set it to 3. Now click on export. Okay. Set the directory path where you want the model to be saved. I'll save my model as CSV num CLF classifier. Okay. Now everything is set up. Click on construct. Oh, oh, we did not set our label index. Our label column is the first column. Okay. I think everything is okay now. Click construct. Okay. Okay, it's working now. There's a new tab that pops up. This is the DL4J UI server where you can monitor your model performance. And if you want to change your mind, you can click abort to cancel your progress. Now let's try out the train no UI node. Okay. Connect it. You can also edit the epochs in this node. I'll try 5. Okay, click update. Now that's done. Let's click construct. Okay, you'll see that there won't be any new tab pops up, and you can monitor the model performance from the command prompt. I think I said it wrong. Okay. Oh, since we only have one training dataset node but no validation dataset node, we don't need validate node. Delete the validate node and connect the train to export node. Let's check again. Okay, I think everything's okay. Click on construct. Check on the command prompt. Okay, we finished 5 epochs now. It's pretty fast. And network model started as save. Then click done. Okay, see that we save our model here. And that is all for CSV numerical classification tutorial in DL4JRA. Thank you.